Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm thrilled to have you here today to learn about the fascinating science of earthquakes. Earthquakes are one of the most powerful and destructive natural phenomena on our planet, and understanding how they are formed is essential for scientists and communities around the world to better prepare for them. In this video, we'll explore the science behind earthquakes, from their formation deep beneath the Earth's surface to their effects on the world around us. I hope you find this video informative and insightful, and let's get started. Earthquakes are one of the most devastating natural disasters on Earth. But have you ever wondered how they are formed? Earthquakes occur when tectonic plates beneath the Earth's surface move and shift against each other. The Earth's crust is made up of several plates, and these plates are constantly moving. The movement of these plates is caused by the flow of magma beneath the Earth's surface. As these plates move and shift, they sometimes get stuck against each other. When this happens, the plates build up pressure and tension at the point where they are stuck. This pressure builds up until the plates can no longer hold it and they suddenly slip, causing an earthquake. The point at which the plates are stuck is called the fault zone. When an earthquake occurs, the fault zone moves along a fault line, which is a break in the Earth's crust. The movement of the fault zone causes seismic waves, which are waves of energy that travel through the Earth's crust and cause the ground to shake. Earthquakes can range in size from small tremors that are barely noticeable to catastrophic earthquakes that cause massive destruction. The size of an earthquake is measured on the Richter scale, which ranges from 1 to 10. An earthquake with a magnitude of 1 is very small and usually goes unnoticed, while an earthquake with a magnitude of 10 is extremely rare and could cause massive destruction. The epicenter of an earthquake is the point on the Earth's surface directly above the point where the earthquake occurred. The epicenter is usually where the most damage is done during an earthquake, as the seismic waves are the strongest at this point. One of the biggest dangers of earthquakes is the secondary effects that they can cause. For example, earthquakes can trigger landslides, tsunamis, and even volcanic eruptions. This is because the movement of the tectonic plates can cause changes in the Earth's crust that can have far-reaching effects. In conclusion, earthquakes are formed by the movement and shifting of tectonic plates beneath the Earth's surface. When these plates get stuck against each other, they build up pressure and tension that eventually causes them to slip, resulting in an earthquake. The size of an earthquake is measured on the Richter scale, and earthquakes can cause secondary effects such as landslides and tsunamis. It's important to be prepared for earthquakes and to take steps to protect yourself and your property in case of an earthquake. As we come to the end of this video, I hope you found it informative and learned something new about how earthquakes are formed. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share it with your friends and family who might find it useful as well. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more educational content like this. Your support means a lot and helps me continue creating more valuable content for you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.